Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete deleted messages on iPhone. So first of all, in order to delete a message, just open Messages app on your iPhone, then long tap on the message you wish to delete. Okay, here we go. Then tap on More. Now from here, simply tap on the bin icon at the bottom left corner. Now tap on the option of Delete Message. Now you can see that the message you sent has been deleted and there are no other options to see any deleted messages over here. So what you can do is simply open Settings on your iPhone device. Now from here, tap on your Apple ID's name on top. Now from here, simply go to the option of iCloud. Now under Apps using iCloud, tap on the option of Show All below the apps. Now over here, just tap on the option of Messages in iCloud. Now over here, you can see that the toggle for use on this iPhone is turned on. Simply turn this toggle off. Now once you do this, the messages from your iPhone won't be backed up, which means that the messages that have been already deleted will be permanently gone from all the iOS devices that are linked to your Apple ID. So, follow these easy steps and you will be able to delete deleted messages from your iPhone. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.